this is Heyitsaleen and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys my favorite beauty tips or my favorite beauty hacks with honey. Okay, honey. So before going started, so give this video a big thumbs up and like, share, subscribe. And if you also wanted me to make more beauty hacks and tips videos, so make sure to hit the bell icon and the subscribe button below. And not talking too long, and let's just jump right into the video. Hope these recipes will work for you. And before applying anything on your face, on your skin, or anywhere in your body, so first of all, do a test patch, okay, first, so that you don't have any allergic reactions. That's all, guys, and thank you for watching my videos, and love you.